Hi, my name is Lisa. I'm from the Rosy Posy, based out of Manassas, Virginia, currently working from home. Today I'm going to show you how to make an organic, free-form bridal bouquet using some basic chicken wire and some locally grown florals. I'm taking some chicken wire and we just need to twist and make a shape, basically, either a circle or a sphere. Make sure there's no pointy ends sticking out. And we're going to start off creating a loose shape with our greenery. Many different types of eucalyptus out there, not just the one that smells really good. And can you see how we're getting this lovely, wild, natural, hand-picked design without adding too much product? And I'm going to use a Bouquet. Using the silver dollar, I'm just going to fill in the center a little bit. And now I'm going to add a few of the florals. I'm going to start using a Playa Blanca rose. It's a beautiful white rose. I love this one. It opens like a garden rose without the additional cost of a garden rose. The only trouble is sometimes it comes in a little blush, but it's perfect for the color of the flowers that I have here. All my big focal flowers right here, the Playa Blanca roses, the Japanese double Lysianthus right here. I also want to create some depth along with all this beautiful texture we have going on right now. Don't be afraid to pop a few down below. I'm going to accent with some white tweedia. I'm going to use some of the buds from the freesia. That bud gives us a beautiful textural feel. I'm gonna add a couple more of these, and I think I'm gonna call this bouquet done. And there we have a beautiful organic bridal bouquet.